Welcome to the Green Planet Dubai, a magical indoor rainforest adventure. Herb. On the fourth floor, we enter the canopy, where colorful birds like parrots and toucans fly freely right above your head. Parrot look, they're soaring through the trees while visitors walk below in awe. Next, on the third floor, meet the coolest reptiles, slithering snakes, sticky geckos, and color-changing chameleons. Snake, don't worry, they're friendly and fascinating. Down on the second floor, it's bug time. And from giant beetles to dancing butterflies, there's a whole world of insects to explore. And finally, the first floor goes dark, because it's home to night creatures. Crescent moon bats flutter, sloths hang lazily, and the rainforest comes alive at night. So grab your explorer hat, the green planet is waiting just for you.